These are 10-minute-old goat kids. The one on the right, the little kind of creamy-looking brownish one, is Alejandro. And over on the left, we see Cesar. And Clover is their proud mama. And we think she may have one or two still floating around inside. Welcome to the world, little ones. Oh, I know, sweetie.
I hope you put that on Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook. Well, probably YouTube. I don't know if I can upload it to Facebook.
That is a really cute little one. Oh, no.
This is Dr. Lepsch inspecting the mother Clover. Little Alejandro is just a confused little sucker, isn't he? But he's walking, just about. Is he moist? Is he moist?
Oh, yeah.
That's hilarious.